would you say that most of your clients are focused more on, workforce productivity versus, asset performance, or the other way around?
So I would say that most organizations focus on efficiency, not only on the CMMS side with planning and scheduling, but across the whole plant. And we tend to try to be very efficient at doing the wrong things. and the reason, look, and I'm going to give you an analogy that makes it really simple. It's easy to be a critic. It's easy to critique something and say you're not doing it right, or you shouldn't do this step, take this step. It's real easy to look at a process and be a critic. It's really hard to be effective.
Yeah.
And so it's less work to try to become efficient. The other piece of that is some organizations, and many fall into this category, don't have the resources that can focus on effective. And so they say, well, we don't have enough technicians. We can't hire a planner. We just don't have the people. And you can create efficiencies that allow you to barter resources. So if you can do planning and scheduling well, instead of 20 technicians, maybe you only need 16. And I can create one of those positions as a planner and a scheduler, and I can make one a reliability engineer and still give the company back one position. And so you've now created a more effective organization, or an organization that becomes more effective without adding any headcount, right? And so it's about growing flat. You're trying to grow flat. So if you're in an organization that can't just add those resources, you almost have to become efficient first.